Sora just died. YouTube is drowning in AI slop, and somehow AI video has never been more powerful or dangerous for creators using it wrong. Welcome to the channel. I'm Joseph, and I break down AI so you can actually use it, so let's get into it. March 24, 2026, OpenAI shut down Sora, not updated it. Killed it entirely, after burning $1 million every single day. AI video is better now than ever. The surviving tools are incredible. If you're not using them right, you're leaving serious money on the table. So what actually happened? What tools work now? How do you use AI video without becoming part of the problem? Let's go. Sora launched in February 2025 with massive hype. OpenAI promised it would change video creation forever. It did not. Not even close. The app peaked at around 1 million users. Then it collapsed to under 500,000. Fast. Then kept shrinking from there. Disney walked away from a $1 billion partnership. Billion. With a B. They looked at the ROI and noped out completely. Why? The quality wasn't there. Costs were insane. The business model didn't work. The product failed. The entire premise failed. But the app closes April 26th. The API closes September 24th. That's 6 months to migrate any Sora workflows. After that, it's gone. OpenAI shifted computing resources toward coding tools and enterprise AI. That's where the real money is. Not video. Not anymore. But Sora dying doesn't mean AI video died. It means one expensive experiment ended. And it opened space for everything else to flourish. 6 months ago, best-in-class AI video length was 10 to 20 seconds. 30 if you were lucky. That was the ceiling. Period. Now, 60 to 180 seconds standard. Some models hitting 5 minutes plus. That's not incremental. That's a generational shift. Google Veo 3, native audio generation, vertical and horizontal formats, full HD, cinematic output. The cost, 16 cents per second. AI Pro is $20 a month. Run the math. Professional video generation for less than a streaming subscription. That's affordable. The Veo 3.1 Lite costs less than 50% of 3.1 Fast. Same quality, way more budget friendly. Perfect if you're generating lots of content. Unified audio-visual generation. The sound is created with the video simultaneously, not added after, not some plugin, built-in, native, revolutionary. That changes everything about video production. You're not generating video then hunting for audio, you're generating both at once. Different entirely. Runway Gen 4.5 leads on cinematic output. Need Hollywood look? That's your tool. But the gap with Veo 3 is shrinking fast. Very fast. Here's where it gets really interesting. Open source is eating this entire market. Not eventually. Right now. Today. This week. Alibaba released WAN 2.2, best open source video model available. The 1.3 billion parameter version runs on 8 gigs of VRAM, 8 gigs total. RTX 3060 can run state-of-the-art video generation locally, on your GPU, offline, no API calls, no subscriptions, no rate limits. Huge. Hey, LTX2 from Lightrix, 19 billion parameters, native 4K at 50 frames per second, synchronized audio, 8 to 12 gigs of VRAM, WAN 2 GP, one-click launcher. Download it, click launch, generate video on your GPU. No command line, no Docker, nothing. Dead simple. RTX 3060 or better means you own a local video production studio. Generate 4K video without touching the internet. Total control. This is what scares enterprise. Open source is getting good fast, and it's free. The subscription model just got way harder to justify. Open source models don't have strict content policies. Want to generate weird stuff? Experiment? Push boundaries? You can, on your own GPU. Freedom. And that's why you should never purchase any AI that says, pay $50 or $6 for life. It's because they know what's coming. We have a massive problem. YouTube is drowning in AI-generated garbage. We call it AI slop. And it's everywhere. 21% of YouTube recommendations to new users are AI slop. 1 in 5. That's what YouTube publicly admits. The New York Times says 40% of videos recommended to children are AI-generated content. 40% to kids. Think about that. Consumer trust collapses when people realize content is AI-generated. Trust drops about 50% instantly. That's game-changing. That matters. In 2023, 60% of people preferred AI-generated content. New, interesting, novel. By 2026, that's 26%. Massive flip. People went from excited about AI content to actively avoiding it. Massive swing. Market psychology shifting in real time right in front of everyone. YouTube introduced new AI transparency rules. You must label AI-generated content. Not labeling it has real consequences. Serious ones. This is good news if you're using AI thoughtfully. Slop gets filtered out. Transparent, quality AI content gets rewarded. Bad stuff buried. YouTube Shorts. 200 billion daily views, up 186% from 70 billion just 2 years ago. Exponential. Long-form videos plateaued. Shorts is it. YouTube pays creators 45% of ad revenue. Best payout on any short-form platform. Period. 1 million plus channels using AI creation tools every day. That's December 2025 count. It's way higher now today. Platforms basically saying, use AI tools, generate more, we'll pay you, label it transparently, and you're good. Keep shipping content. AI video tools market was 4.2 billion in 2025, projected 12.8 billion by 2027, 300% growth. This isn't mature, this is gold rush moment. Early movers have massive advantage, real advantage. The window is still open. YouTube made $60 billion in ad revenue in 2025, record high. Paid creators over 100 billion across 4 years. That money is there, being distributed. Question is, are you positioned to capture your share? Most creators aren't. Most don't have strategy. HeyGen, 152% year-over-year mid-market growth. Creator plan $29, Pro plan $99. Unlimited standard avatars. Market leader. HeyGen drives a lot of YouTube education content. If you're building educational content, it's probably in your stack already. Synthesia, 200 million Series E in January 2026. Enterprise focused. Contract values 3 times higher than HeyGen. Different market. But enterprise isn't where the energy is. The energy is with creators. Accessibility. Generating more volume, more shots, more experiments. That's momentum. After all that, what's the actual strategy? How do you use AI video without becoming part of the slop? Let me break it down. Pick a tool matching your workflow. HeyGen for avatars, VO3 for B-roll, Runway for cinematic sequences. Different tools, different jobs. Specialize. Educational content. Avatars work. HeyGen avatars convert, especially for complex explanations. People trust a face delivering information. Psychological. It works consistently. VO3 for background plates and B-roll. Cheap enough to generate variations. Run 5 versions. Pick the best. Totally different from before. Be transparent about AI. Label it. Don't hide it. YouTube's algorithm rewards transparency now. People respect honesty. Viewers respect honesty. Label everything. Don't let AI do your creativity. Use it to accelerate production, not replace thinking. Slop creators use AI as shortcut for vision. That's the problem. Your idea, your voice, your script, never from AI generator. Your ideas drive the tools, not the other way around. That's the crucial difference. Shorts are your fastest learning loop. Generate a short. See what converts. Iterate. AI makes iteration cheap. 5 versions cost almost nothing. Strategy. Heavy on shorts. Use AI to test variations fast. Double down on what works. Scale winners to long form. That's the path. Run experiments at machine speed. Find a format working in a week that used to take a month. That's the real advantage. Understand what each tool does. VO3 is prompt responsive. You control output. That's its superpower. Learn the prompt language deeply. Write detailed visual prompts. Get consistent output. Not perfect, but predictable. Understand the language, you can optimize extremely hard. Runway better at motion and dynamics. Complex movement, choreography, Runway wins. Still cinematography, Veo wins usually. Pick based on the needs. Open source models less predictable but more experimental. More creative upside, lower cost, higher risk on consistency. Trade stability for flexibility and freedom. Learn your tool's prompt language deeply. Spend 3 days generating bad videos. Understand how to prompt correctly. Investment pays off forever. Uncomfortable part nobody likes discussing. AI video is powerful. Power creates responsibility. Whether you acknowledge it or not, it's there. You can generate thousands of videos, flood a platform, game an algorithm. But should you? That's a completely different question. The slop problem exists because people optimize for volume and engagement over quality and honesty. Always choose quality. YouTube cracking down on this. Other platforms will follow. Want longevity? Want sustainable business? This means make genuine content. AI accelerated, not AI generated. If you want to use AI video properly in 2026, here's the exact playbook. Write this down if you're serious about it. Step 1. Choose your core platform. YouTube long form, YouTube shorts, or both. Decide first. Everything else follows from that initial choice. Step 2. Identify your content pillars. What topics will you own? 3 to 5 topics maximum. Depth over breadth matters now. Step 3. Build your workflow. Script writing, then avatar or B-roll, then editing, then post. That's it. Keep it simple and repeatable. Step 4. Generate variations. Don't make one video, make 5. Test on shorts first. See what algorithm likes. Scale winners accordingly. Step 5. Optimize your prompts like their code. Small wording changes create massive output differences. Document what works. Reuse it constantly. Step 6. Never skip the editing pass. AI generates footage. You're still the director. Cut it, pace it, add your flair. Step 7. Track everything. View metrics, completion rates, demographics, which videos work, which don't, why. Let data drive the next iteration. Most creators won't build real AI video workflows. That's actually good news for you if you do. Serious competitive advantage right there. Barrier to entry dropped. Barrier to being good at it went up. Compete with less money, but need more skill and intention. Sustainable AI video workflow costs about $100 to $150 per month. Hey Gen, Veo AI Pro, editing software, that's your entire stack. Generate 30 shorts monthly and one blows up, ROI is insane. One viral short pays for entire infrastructure, multiple times over totally. The game isn't scale anymore, it's consistency, iteration, hitting one winner monthly. That's totally doable now. Wasn't possible before the tools changed. 6 months into 2026, technology accelerating constantly. What's true today might be obvious by Christmas. Stay ahead of the curve. Expect faster video generation, cheaper costs, better audiovisual synthesis, algorithm better at filtering slop. All three things happening simultaneously right now. Creators who win treat AI as tool, not shortcut. Use speed and scale to test ideas, not spam platforms. That's the difference. By 2027, if you're not generating and testing variations weekly, you'll be behind. This isn't coming. It's here, now. That's the state of AI video in 2026. Sora died. Everything else got better. Tools are real. Opportunity is massive. Slot problem is real. But it's filtering lazy creators out. That's good if you're serious. If not, you'll get buried quick. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one tool. Hey Gen, Veo 3, open source, whatever fits your brain. Spend 1 week learning it deeply. Build something real. Come show me what you built. Build in public. Share your experiments. Winners are the ones shipping and iterating. No smashing like or subscribe buttons required. Just use the tools. Build something real. That's all I care about. Let's ship. Opportunity window is open right now. Won't be open forever. Start today. Not next week. Not after more tutorials. Start now. Creators winning in 2026 aren't ones with expensive tools. They're ones with clearest vision and willingness to iterate relentlessly. That's it. You have everything you need right now. Stop planning. Stop waiting. Start building. That's your next move. Build it now. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and let us know in the comments below what you want to see next. We'll see you next time.